Hello everyone, it's once again time for Sean's nightly 3-mile walk. Happy Thursday everybody. Here in New Jersey we're getting ready for what they're calling the local media one of the biggest snowstorms in the past decade, whatever that means, because they certainly can never seem to get the weather right anymore. But this might be one of the final nights for the next few days that I'm able to get my walk in, because they're calling for possibly up to a foot of snow, which at my age is just an annoyance. However, I really wanted to thank everybody for watching my latest videos. I've been having fun playing bass, and I've still got so many songs to play and a few videos that I have not yet covered, which I hope to do in the next day or so. But again, thank you for your support, and I look forward to taking some more requests from everybody. Wow, it's noisy out tonight. And I hope you all have a wonderful next few days and enjoy your weekend. Thank you.